Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the Geekom Mini AIR12 Mini PC. This mini PC is packed with features, and we'll dive deep into what makes it stand out from the competition. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Let's start with the design. The Geekom Mini AIR12 features a sleek and compact aluminum body in a stylish black color. It measures just 4.4 by 1.3 by 4.6 inches, making it one of the smallest mini PCs on the market. The small form factor not only saves space but also looks great on your desk. Now, let's talk about the heart of this mini PC, the 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N100 processor. With 4 cores, 4 threads, and A6W TDP, it offers impressive performance. It can reach speeds of up to 3.4 GHz, which is 30% higher than some of its competitors like the J4125, N5105, N5095. The fan cooling system ensures that your tasks, whether it's web browsing, spreadsheet editing, or light gaming, run smoothly without overheating. The Geekom Mini AIR12 comes with 16GB of blazing fast DDR5 RAM clocked at 4800 MHz, providing a 40% performance boost compared to DDR4. It also boasts a 512GB M2 PCIe Gen 3x4 SSD, ensuring lightning-fast data access and storage. Plus, you can expand it up to 1 TB. Are you a multitasker? This mini PC supports 4K at 60Hz dual-screen display with Intel UHD graphics. It has HDMI 2.0 and Mini DP 1.4 ports for connecting 2 monitors. In terms of connectivity, it features Wi-Fi 6, which is 3 times faster than Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 5.2 for a seamless internet experience. Despite its small size, the Geekom Mini AIR12 offers a rich selection of ports, including 3x USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 1x Type-C with DP 1.4, 1x Type-C, 1x HDMI 2.0, 1x Mini DP 1.4, 1 by 3.5mm headphone jack, 1x RJ45 LAN port, and 1x SD card reader. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, but you can also switch to Windows 10 Pro or Linux if you prefer. Geekom offers a 1-year limited warranty and lifetime professional customer service, ensuring you have peace of mind with your purchase. To sum it up, the Geekom Mini AIR12 Mini PC is a powerful and compact computing solution that excels in both performance and versatility. Whether you need it for work, entertainment, or both, this mini PC has you covered. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.